Hello everyone. Today we will see snake bite first aid treatment. If someone is bitten by a snake, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the meantime, here are some steps you can take to provide first aid. So first is keep the bitten limb immobilized and at or below the level of heart to slow down the spread of venom. Second, remove any tight clothing or jewellery near the bite to help prevent swelling. Third, clean the bite wound with soap and water. Fourth, apply a cool compress to the bite area to help reduce pain and swelling. Fifth one, monitor the bite's victim's symptoms such as changes in their pulse, breathing, and level of alertness. So it's important to note that you should never attempt to suck out the venom, cut the bite wound, or apply a tourniquet, as this action can actually make a situation worse. Remember, if you suspect a snake bite, it's important to seek medical attention immediately. Snake bite can be life-threatening, so it's crucial to get prompt and appropriate treatment. So treatment. The treatment for a snake bite typically involves the administration of antivenom, which is a medication that can neutralize the snake venom. Antivenom is most effective when given as soon as possible alert a bite has occurred. So prompt medical attention is crucial. In addition to receiving antivenom, the patient may also receive supportive care such as pain management, wound care, and monitoring of vital signs. Vital signs means pulse, respiration, temperature, and BP. In severe cases, hospitalization may be necessary, and the patient may require additional treatment such as a fluid replacement or airway support. It's important to remember that every snake bite is unique and the treatment may vary depending on the type of snake, the location and the severity of the bite, and the individual overall health. That's why it's so important to seek medical attention as soon as possible after a bite has occurred. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.